YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Buckhead, man. And today I'm doing a food review. Well, pretty much a snack. So see right here, I think I got this from like Pathmark or something like that. It's you see, it's a chili dark chocolate bar. It's basically a granola bar or whatever. But yeah. So I'm gonna try this out. It's dipped in chocolate flavored coating with dark chocolate nuts, seeds, and cayenne pepper. So let's get into this. Ooh, this shit right here, nigga, smells great. So I'm gonna let you look at it real fast. Put that in there. Look at that. Check that out. Oh, look, they got little chocolate pieces, granola seeds right there. Look at that. Check that out. Got some pieces of chocolate, peanuts and all that. So yeah, let me give this a try. Well, it was pretty good. By Nature Valley. Check this out. At a scale of 5 being the highest, 0 being the lowest, I get it's about 3.5. See? Oh yeah, see, definitely. See, it takes a little while for the cayenne to kick in, but it's only a little bit. It's like a little spice, so it's good. So if you don't like really spicy food like that, it won't bother you. But it complements each other pretty damn good. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, man. You see this in the store, man. Check this out, man. This is pretty damn good. Anyway, this is Buck signing off. Peace.